passion praline bonbon, which is very beautiful combination. And as you see, two color, and we'll do it together. Everything about this amazing combination in the video. And as you see, it's so shiny, so beautiful. Let's do it together. If this first time to watch me, this is my job. My name is Ahmed Younis. If you write cloudberry in the comment, I will post it very soon. This one of the best combination of cloudberry and apricot cake. In beginning, we already know how to tempering cocoa butter and how to color cacao butter. So I use 50% of the mold. I spray with yellow shiny mold. By the way, this mold from Chocolate World. I'm one of the ambassador for this company. And the half side, we spray it with a blue color. Normally, people would love to make different color. I try to make my own. So, blue and yellow, this is the combination which I think is nice for praline passion bonbon. If you use white chocolate, you don't need to spray again with white cacao butter. But because I use milk chocolate, I must give another layer with white cacao butter. And already I did video how to color all the color. If you didn't see this video, I will leave it in the description box below. Make sure you have at least 30 minutes between each layer so the cacao butter can be crystallization. And one more tips, minimum to use it for chocolate, you must keep it in room temperature at least 6 hours. For myself, I spray all the mold today, and tomorrow I start to pour inside the chocolate, as well as the ganache. So the ganache and spraying 1 day in advance, so second day it will be much easy and more shiny to use it for finishing praline. So 1 layer of the chocolate tempering. This is the second day tempering milk chocolate, and all of you of course expert how to make tempering chocolate. And I have 3 ways or 3 methods in the channel how to tempering chocolate. Please watch the video. I feel it, I shake it very nice to take all the bubbles out, and I leave maximum 50 to 70 seconds. But this mold, I make it with mistake to show you. I leave it 2 minutes. 2 minutes, and you can see it has a massive shell. It's not tiny like other video. So that's why you must be careful when you use the chocolate. You just give it the right time. Here we go, the ganache, 240 gram chocolate white, and here 25 gram tourmaline. If you don't know how to make tourmaline, I will leave it in the description box below. It's so easy recipe. I make it 1 year ago in the channel, and everybody tried. They are so happy. 120 gram of puree, passion puree or passion puree, and when it's boiling in slow fire. Why? Because I wanted to reduce. When it's hot, after boiling for 2 minutes, I pour on top the chocolate and I mix it with the spatula just to make the chocolate soft before I use hand mixer. And when I use hand mixer, I must be sure all the ingredients soft emulsify, and then when have 30 degree, I will add it 25 gram butter. Now it's 25 gram butter and the temperature was 30 degree. I make the video fast that to not lose your time. So now I have amazing, beautiful ganache. emulsify, soft, and don't be hurry, only 2 minutes minimum with hand blender to make sure it's all soft. I keep it in the container for second day, so tomorrow I feel my mold. Second day, I feel my mold with 50% Passion and 50% praline or praline almond. If you don't know how to make praline almond, I have very easy video in the channel. You must watch it. 150 gram roasted almond, 150 gram icing sugar in Robo cup for 5 minutes, and you have your own amazing praline. And as you know, I cover it with the chocolate. I keep it in the fridge from 20 to 15 minutes. And here we go, so shiny, so beautiful. Please, if you see this video is useful to you, please share it with your friend. If you want to know anything about chocolate or your favorite ganache, let me know in the description on the comment below. And if you want any kind of chocolate or spread, I will do it in 1 week. Don't work harder, just work smarter. That my father always telling me. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.